How to increase or decrease keyboard font size on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. So now click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down, and click on general management. After click on general management, scroll down and click on Samsung keyboard settings. Scroll down, and you will see click on font size. So after click on font size, so if you want to increase or decrease keyboard font size, so if you want to increase, so you will see increase font size from here. So if you want to decrease font size, so you will decrease font size from here. So you will increase or decrease font size from here. So after select size, go back to home screen. So that's how you can adjust and increase or decrease keyboard font size on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.